Browse human-ok.com. Choose an image. Start generating. We will demonstrate how to use our model in DAZ. We support DAZ-G8 and DAZ-G9. It's important to remember that the models for DAZ-G8 and DAZ-G9, as well as their male and female versions, have different topologies. So, when downloading, make sure the model structure matches the DAZ model you want to use. For example, if I need to use a DAZ-G8 female character, select the corresponding options. After downloading and extracting the files, you will get the DAZ-G8 model file and texture files. Open the DAZ software. Go to Figures. And locate the DAZ-G8 base model. Make sure to select the base model, otherwise, there will be issues. If you need DAZ-G9, select the DAZ-G9 base model. Next, click to select the female base model. Go to the menu and select Edit. Then find Figure. And select Morphloader Pro. Choose Morph Files. And in the downloaded files, locate HumanOk Morph. Click Open. If you don't have the HumanOk Morph.obj file, you can go back to the human-ok.com order page to re-download it. Now, go to the Morph section of our model. And you should see the newly loaded facial morph. This is how we load the shape of the HumanOk model. Next, go to Surfaces. Then Editor, locate the facial material. And replace it with the texture files from the downloaded package. With this, you can use the DAZ morphs to fine-tune the HumanOk generated models. Thank you for watching.